So first thing here, we are going to talk about the topic 1, which is on the sea level. Okay, so I'm going to open up my data set here. So let's say this one, I got the sea level. Okay, and then I go open architect and topography. All right, so once I open, it will bring me to the 3D view. Okay, but I'm not really interested in the 3D view here. Okay, what interested is actually I'm going to go ahead to the site here. Okay, reason I want to go to the site is because I want to show to you about the differences between project base point and survey point here. Okay, all right. To identify the coordinates, remember that the tips that I shared to you earlier is by using this one. Spot coordinates here. Okay, if I click on the spot coordinates here, okay, if I click here, okay, it will show the informations on the north and east. Okay, so this one also. Okay, but don't get trapped into this information because this is actually referring to the survey point. Okay, notice that here, if I change, okay, the edit type here, just go to the coordinate page to the project base point, this one will be written to some number. And this one will return to 0. Okay, so make sure that you're careful in whatever you do when you deal with this project coordinates and also, project base point and also survey point, right? Okay, now I'm going to specify coordinate at point and select at base level by through the elevation here. Okay, so it is important for me to open up here the informations on the site and also the project base point and also the survey point. Just go to the site here and make sure that this one you check for the project base point and also the survey point here. Okay, make sure you click OK first. All right, so it will display here. So notice that on the survey point here, okay, and also for the project base point, what will happen next? Okay, let's say if I key in some information on the sea level, so which one will be affected? Okay, so the thing is, if you want to incorporate the sea level into your project here, you need to go to the manage tab here. Okay, go to the coordinates and click on specify coordinate at point here. Okay, I click here. And then they say that this one is going to be my base level, okay, for the urban sea level. I just click this one. So notice that this one will appear. Specify the share coordinates. Okay, like I mentioned before, share coordinates is only playing around with the survey point. Okay, so what I'm expecting when I mention share coordinates, so it will play around the survey point. So this one will apply the changes. So I just click 416. Okay, so 000. Okay, just click OK. So notice that it will relocate. Okay, it's actually not missing. It's actually go down here. Okay, you can see this is actually the survey point here. Okay, you can do a dimension if you want. Just want to check. Okay, the value. Okay, notice that this one is actually 416000. But the problem is that you can see here. Okay, it doesn't apply any changes on the basement here. Supposedly this one gonna be 4600. Okay, so this is the problem. So the tip is that in order for you to change, okay, this information to the sea level, you need to ensure that you go to so you select the elevation and then you click on edit type here. Okay, and then you change the elevation base to the survey point. So this one, it will become a numbers that is referring to your base level. Okay, and remember that the tips that I shared to you earlier. Okay, now I will use the spot elevation here. Okay, so I will place here. So this one gonna be my spot elevation. Okay, okay. Notice that in the previous, okay, there is more like a suffix wording at the front here. So in order for you to specify the wording here, make sure that you key in here. For example, this one is actually the survey point. Okay, just put it as survey point. So this one is actually the survey point, right? Okay, now after you have done this, okay, now let's go to the site here. Say, notice that this one, okay, this one is already changed, so this one is okay. Okay, but let's say that if you go to the site and then notice that the number is not even apply the changes to the base level, you must click on this contour level here. Okay, contour level here and make sure this one edit type you change to the survey point. If I change to project based point, so this one it will go to the numbers that referring to the zero elevations, right? Okay. I hope everybody is okay, right?